a temperature difference of a degree can already ruin your alignment, let's say. So to do that, and when you hear that it's finally okay and you aligned like within 2-3 microns with precision, that's a moment, I cannot describe it. My name is Rafiek and I am an MAIT engineer at TNO. We build space instruments, but we do it in such a way that it can survive the environment in space. So you have to make sure that everything in your instrument stays aligned in the way it was intended. And that means sometimes we do alignments within microns. 1 micron is 1,000th of a millimeter. That's quite bizarre, I would say. One project that I've worked on since the beginning and is still going now is the TSVOA project. This is a project where we built 6 telescopes for Sentinel-5, and these telescopes will be launched into space and monitor the gases that are in the Earth's atmosphere. You can see it as the light from the sun reflects on the Earth, and the reflection goes to the instrument, to the telescope, and in that way, by comparing the light from the sun and the reflected light on the Earth, we can exactly see what kind of gases are in our atmosphere. So like CO2, nitrogen, that kind of gases. There is a continuous challenge in a job like this because we work with so many different projects and so many different expertises that you have to find a way to combine all those and to make sure you meet all the requirements. And it's quite difficult sometimes to keep track of everything that happens because you work with a lot of different disciplines and a lot of different people as well. And how we mostly see it is that the MAIT team is like the oil that keeps the motor running. This will definitely be a proud moment for me when the instrument is launched, because then you see all the years of hard work that finally it goes into space and they will actually use it for measurements. That's quite something to be proud of, I think.